Greetings, Dan Daniels here. Termux speed test. If you've already installed termux, this is probably one of the first things you'll do is install the speed test because, well, having a command line speed test is just pretty cool. So let's go ahead and install it. Apt install Python and Python dev. And enter. Do you want to continue? Yes. Enter. This is the Google keyboard, so the enter is the search key. I've been looking for a programmer's keyboard, something with tab completion, especially for the command line. Tab completion is really handy, especially on a small keyboard like this. Okay, so Python is installed, and the next thing we need to do is pip install speed test. Pip install speed test. CLI for command line, and away it goes, collecting speed. Now, it says that I'm using pip version 10, so I'm going to go ahead and upgrade while I'm here. Pip install upgrade. Pip. Enter. And it's pretty much done. Now, of course, you came here to see what to do with speed test. So let's go ahead and run speed test. Speed. Now again, this would be really nice if there was a tab completion, but there's not. And now it's getting a speed test. And testing download speed 31 and upload 39. Not bad. Okay, that's termux speed test. And again, if you take a look at the web, there are lots of people who installed this particular application, so it's very useful. Hope you enjoyed this